Start. My dear students, how are you? I am fine, Alhamdulillah. My name is Jahangir Alam, Assistant Teacher in English, Secondary School, Bagarpara, Joshua. My dear students, follow the sentences. Only you can call me. Alone he will go there. What types of sentences? Affirmative sentence. Okay. Thank you. Next, he is not present today. None can avoid it. What types of sentences? Negative sentence. Okay. Thank you. So, you know that yesterday I discussed about it. Okay? Now, today we are going to learn how to change affirmative to negative. More rules. Okay? Learning outcomes. You can be able to format affirmative sentences, format negative sentences, change affirmative to negative, change to negative to affirmative. My dear students, follow the sentences. There is a little water in the pot. What will be negative? There is not much water in the pot. Follow the sentences. A little change into not much. A little change into not much. For practice, there is a little milk in the glass. What will be negative? There is not much milk in the glass. Okay? Can you understand it? Next, I have a few friends here. What will be negative? I have not many friends here. In these sentences, when we turn into negative, a few change not many. A few change, it will be not many. When we change into negative sentence, if you change into not many. Okay? So my dear students, practice. He has a few books. He has a few books. What will be negative? He has not many books. Okay? Next, I have many friends here. What will be negative? I have not a few friends here. Okay? For practice, you try to the sentences. He has many books. What will be negative? Okay, thank you. He has not a few books. My dear students, follow the sentences. There is much water in the pot. What will be negative? There is not a little water in the pot. There is not a little water in the pot. In the sentences, when we turn into negative sentence, much will change, be not a little water, not a little. Okay? So my dear students, you try these sentences. There is much milk in the pot. What will be negative? There is not a little milk in the pot. Okay, thank you. Next, the girl is too short to touch the fan. What will be negative? The girl is so short that she cannot touch the fan. Follow the sentences. To change into so, and next to change into that she cannot. That she cannot. When we turn into affirmative to negative, to change so and to change into that she cannot. Okay, my dear students, try to the next sentence. The man is too tall to enter the room. What will be negative? The man is so tall that he cannot enter the room. Okay? Thank you very much. He is too weak to walk. Next sentence. You will try to the negative sentence. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Thank you very much. Next, you try to next sentences. He is too meritorious to solve the matter. What will be negative? Okay, thank you very much. He is so meritorious that he cannot solve the matter. Next, another rules. Fatima is as wise as Cynthia. What will be negative? Fatima is not less wise than Cynthia. How? As turn into not less, and next as turn into than. Okay? Next sentence. Shakib is as popular as Tamim. What will be negative? Shakib is not less popular than Tamim. First as change into not less, and second as turn into than. Next sentence, another rules. Pirozpur is smaller than Borishal. Pirozpur is smaller than Borishal. What will be negative? Borishal is not so small as Pirozpur. In the sentences, follow carefully. Object will be subject, and subject will be object, and that turn into not, then turn into as. Borishal is not so small as Pirozpur. Okay? Next, Sumaya is taller than Marfa. What will be negative? Thank you very much. Marfa is not so tall as Sumaya. Okay? My friend. Sometimes he calls me. Another rules. My friend does not always call me. Always call me. Follow the sentences. Sometimes turn into does not always. Does not always. Sometimes turn into negative, and sometimes change into always. Okay? Next sentence. Flood sometimes visit in our country. Flood does not always visit in our country. Okay? Have you understood it? Okay. Next, another rules. I always support it. I always support you. What will be negative? I never against with you. Another sentence, always turn into never. Always turn into never. And support opposite words is against. Okay? Another rules. Everybody knows he is an honest man. What will be negative? Everybody does not know. Sorry. Everybody knows he is not a dishonest man. Opposite words. Honest will be opposite word. Dishonest. Dishonest. Okay. He is a active man. He is an active man. Sorry, mistakes. Sentences. He is an active man. What will be negative? He is not an inactive man. Okay. Another sentences. He is a pious man. He is a pious man. He is not an impious man. Okay. He is a regular student. He is not an irregular student. He is an optimistic person. He is not a pessimistic person. Okay. Maria is an active girl. What will be negative? Maria is not an inactive girl. Have you understood it? My dear students, if you understand it, you will be these following sentences. You try to do it at your home. Okay? Homework. Write down the homework. Write down your notebooks. There is a little milk in this pot. Negative. Neela is not so tall as Mila. Affirmative. He is not an irregular student. Affirmative. The man is too rich to buy a new car. Negative. He never dishonored me. Affirmative. Have you write down it? Okay. Thank you very much. No more today. In front of Corona, be careful. Take care of your health. Okay. Thank you.